Hey guys, it's a new day and that means it's time for a new look. If this is your first time watching in on my channel, my name is Shelby, and just to get you up to speed, I've been doing my makeup now the same for like the last 5 years, particularly my eyeshadow. This is the eyeshadow palette that I usually use, the CoverGirl True Naked Nudes, and I've just been using it for a long time. But I've been wanting to try out some new looks now, and so I was at Walmart the other day and I picked up these two eyeshadow palettes, and it's Rimmel London. Rimmel London magnif'eyes. I got the Jewel Rocks edition and the Electric Violet edition. So for the next 30 days, I am going to create looks with my makeup each day, just using these eyeshadow palettes. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave me a comment about what you think about the video. Once again, this is just me trying out one eyeshadow palette for the next 30 days. And so let's just all remember each day is a new day and there will be a new look. All right, thanks, bye.